Tired of managing multiple ISAs, or just looking to move your investments to a platform with a different approach? If you already have an individual savings account, or ISA, with another provider, you might be wondering how easy it is to transfer it over to Nutmeg. Well, the good news is, it's a straightforward process, and one that Nutmeg handles for you. Transferring an existing ISA to Nutmeg allows you to consolidate your investments and benefit from their fully managed or fixed allocation investment styles. Crucially, it preserves the tax-efficient status of your savings, which is the whole point of an ISA. So, how do you actually do it? First, you need to open an ISA with Nutmeg if you haven't already. This is usually a stocks and shares ISA, which is what Nutmeg specializes in. Once your Nutmeg account is set up, you'll initiate the transfer from the Nutmeg platform. Do not try to withdraw the money yourself. If you withdraw the funds, they will lose their ISA status, and you will use up some of your current year's ISA allowance when you try to redeposit them. Log into your Nutmeg account, head to the Transfers section, and look for the option to transfer in an existing ISA. You'll be asked for details about your existing ISA provider and the type of ISA you're transferring, be it cash, stocks and shares, or even an innovative finance ISA. You'll need to specify whether you want to transfer all of the funds or just a portion, though remember, if you're transferring money you've put in this tax year, you usually have to transfer the whole amount. Nutmeg will then take over. They will contact your existing provider to arrange the move, which involves selling the assets in your current ISA and transferring the value as cash to Nutmeg. This is important, because your previous investments are sold. There may be a short period where your money is uninvested, which could mean missing out on potential market movements. How long does this take? Generally, an ISA transfer to Nutmeg can take between 2 to 4 weeks, but the exact time depends heavily on how quickly your current provider processes the request. Nutmeg will keep you updated via email, and you can track the status in the My Transfers section of your account. Once the cash arrives at Nutmeg, they'll invest it according to the risk level and investment style you've chosen for your new Nutmeg ISA. And that's it. You've successfully moved your existing ISA to Nutmeg. The platform takes the heavy lifting off your hands, making the process as smooth as possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.